Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today I will show you guys how do I get a buy setup precisely at 1934. Is it? We got from 19. Yes, exactly 1934. So how do I find a buy setup here? Okay, it's very simple guys. So this morning I gave sell setup which went down 200 pips. Okay, 210 pips. So I gave from 1947 1950 and it go down 210 pips. So how do I get buy from here? Alright guys, so before I tell you how I find a buy setup here, let me remind you back about what is our SOP for buy setup. As usual, our SOP is number one is SNR. You mark SNR H4 or D1. Number two, wait for the price to come back at SNR which we already marked above. Number three, open M1 or M5 to find my secret pattern. And number 4 and 3 at pull back. Entry at pullback. Okay, this is our SOP. Number 1, you mark the SNR. Number 2, we wait for the price to come back to the SNR. Number 3, open M1 or M5 and entry at pullback. Okay, so guys, let's see what is our secret pattern. What is our secret pattern? My secret pattern for buy, it will look like this. Okay, done. My buy, if you guys remember, my buy pattern, it looked like when the price go down, it went down, go up, make one resistance, go down, it went up, make another one resistance, and then it go down, and suddenly there's one particular candle that broke two of the resistance, R1, R2. So we need to question ourselves, if the price still want to go down, it should go from here and down. If the price wants to go down, it should hit here and went down. But what happened was the price broke two resistance, which is this resistance, and then we wait for pullback. So we wait for pullback. We wait for pullback to entry buy. So here is our confirmation. Here is where we place our buy order. So let's look at the chart. Is there my pattern ratio or not? So first thing first is you mark SNR H4, which is here. We have resistance, and then it broke up, and we mark this resistance to entry. Okay, when the price come back to the resistance, which is here, come back to resistance, we open M1 to find our secret pattern. Okay, if we look at here, we can see there is a massive push somewhere around 110 pips. Okay, 110 pips, that's a lot guys. 110 pips, meaning in this area have a valid supports why we have a valid support here? Because if there's no support here, why suddenly price go up until 110 pips? Why? We need to question that. It went up 110 pips because there is a hidden support and resistance. As I always told my students, we cannot see SNR, but we can identify where is support valid and where is the resistance valid. So here is the support valid and here is the resistance valid. Okay, let's look into the charts. Is our secret pattern already formed or not? Okay, so we open line chart to make it easier, and we mark when the price went down, it make this one resistance, and then it went and then it went down again, and suddenly we make this second resistance, and here also have one resistance where it went up and down, so meaning here have one resistance. So have the price broke 3 resistance or not, or 2 resistance? This is R1, R2, R3, sorry, R1, R2, R3. You see here, from here price got to R1 and it broke R1, then price come to R2, it broke R2, and price come to R3, it broke up, it broke R3, resistance 3, meaning here our secret pattern is already formed. As you remember, as what I taught you just now, it has to break 2 resistance. Okay, R1, R2, and in the real chart you can see it already broke R1, R2, R3, meaning here at the last block here, this is where we're gonna place our order if it come back here. Okay, then we wait until evening just now, and the price come around here, and boom, it hit where we place our buy orders. See, we place our buy order here, and again it gives us my secret pattern, which is price went down, make one resistance, it went down, make another one resistance, it went down, and make another one resistance, it went down, and it went down here, make one resistance, 2 resistance, and when it touched our support, it broke 1, 2, 3. See, 1 resistance broke, 2 resistance broke, 3 resistance already broke. So here, from here to here is already 50 pips. It already kick, or in Malay, tendang. It already tendang 50 pips, kick 50 pips, meaning if there is no support here, why would it go up 50 pips? You need to question, okay? You need to question, always question the market. Why does the price go up 50 pips and broke R1, R2, R3? This is the confirmation shown that here in below, it's shown here in below have a valid support. That's why price broke 1 resistance, 2 resistance, and went up, and we take back this support zone as our buying zone here. And then gold fly 80 pips already. Okay, 80 pips already. Okay, this is my secret technique that I teach in Malay to my Malaysian student. Now, since I'm already went international, I have to speak in English. I hope everyone learns from this video. And to all my Malaysian students, keep supporting me. Thank you so much, because you guys were there since Tokmat was nothing, since day one. And everything yang Tokmat ajar korang, ada satu benda yang korang kena belajar betul-betul. This is the killer technique, guys. Tak ada dah teknik yang terbaik. Okay, so I hope all of you guys understand these videos, and I hope you learn something from this video. Okay, so always remember, my secret pattern is very easy. Buy like this, you buy here. For sell like this, you sell here. It's very simple. Broke to support, broke to resistance. Okay, if you want to buy, it must broke R1, R2. If you want to sell, must broke S1, S2, and then sell here, sell here. Sell here, buy here, buy here. Okay guys, I hope you guys learned something. Okay, bye bye.